Hey everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. Today I got a chance to work on this beautiful looking Audi A3. It's got a dent on the trunk. It looks like Acorn damage, about the size of a quarter. Let me show you quickly. So we got the dent right here, close to the edge, but it's not affecting the edge. It's about the size of a quarter. So let's go ahead and do the repair. I didn't want to spend too much time on creating the access. What I did was I ended up popping this out. This is a light for the license plate, and I should be able to get access from this angle here and work this dent out. So for this dent repair, I ended up using this double bend tool. I think it's about 24 inches long. I was able to start with some soft tips, and then I moved to a sharper tip at the end. This tool comes from Audi Dent Tools. It's got this removable handle right here, which you can purchase separately. It goes like that. There we go. And perfect tool for any type of work. So I can also change in different position if I want to. Another tool that I used for this dent repair process is this double bend tool from Audi Dent. This is one of my oldest tools that I have. As you can see, the handle is just worn out. For some reason, this one here didn't last too long. So we're done working on this dent, and this is our final result. This repair wasn't easy. One of the difficulties that I had to face with working on this dent was the setup that I created for myself. At one point I said to myself, I wish I could just remove that cover, but it was just too late. When you remove the cover, you can basically work from different angles, where here I was just limited working from that single angle, and it was just really difficult for me to get that dent out. I was really struggling with the leverage. So anyhow, if you guys can take 5 more minutes and take that cover off, I would highly recommend doing that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.